Ayan o. Nag-glide na kami. Malapit na kami. Malapit na sa mag-touchdown sa NAIA International Airport. Ito, ayan o. Touchdown na. Dami ng ilaw. Dami ng ilaw ah. Yan ang ganap sa baba ng sa bayan no? Kita ko na yung mga building na malatatangkad no? Yan no? See? Sa baba oh. No? Yan na siguro yan oh. Engine start no. Pababa na kami mga kababayan. Ayan o, kitang-kita nyo parang Google Map. Lapit na kayo bababa. Kitang-kita na yung mga ilaw dun sa baba. Bakit parang nagpe-preno? Huh?
Cabin crew to landing stations.
Oh, landing stations na. Yan, live tayo. Landing ang Cebu Pacific. Landing to NAIA International Airport. We are from Panglao International Airport. Yan o, Google Map o. Ganun pala yun, ano? Ayan o, Google Map. Pag narito ka sa ibabaw ng ere. Yan o, yan o, Google Map. Ayan, mahabang highway yan sigurado. Tapos may mga kabahayan doon sa tabi. So and then pang ating live, nasa ere tayo eh. Cebu Pacific on the air, my favorite airline. Yan na. Yan na. Malapit na. Pababa na ng pababa. Parang spaghetti. Spaghetti pababa. Pababa na pababa. So ayun yung isang Google Map po. Ayun o, ayan. Mahabang highway. Yan pa, isang Google Map. So makikita nyo na, malapit na kayong pababa. So pag nakakita tayo mahaba, malamang yun. Yun ay Ortigas Avenue Extension. Yan o. Yun yung kanina, yun ang Ortigas Avenue Extension. Kasi malapit tayo. Ano na to eh? C5. Yan, C5 na tayo. Ano? Ano, C5. Diba? C5 na tayo. C5. Huh? Yan. Yan na, malapit na. Oh, C5 na yan, oh. Oh. Baba na tayo sa NAIA. Welcome back, Manila. Hinahanap, hanap kita Manila. Ito, Pasay na, ano, Paranaque na to. Oh, malapit na tayo mag-landing, oh. Ilang meters na lang pababa na tayo sa runway ng NAIA International Airport. Ayan na, malapit na mag-touchdown. Ito na, touchdown na. Yeah, touchdown na. And we were about to land. Ito na, landing. Ito na, landing na tayo. Ito na, ayan na, landing. Landing na tayo. Nakaland na tayo. Landing na tayo. Nawala yung internet natin sa live. Pero landing na tayo. Ano? Oo, naka-landing na. Eagle has landed. The Eagle has landed here in NAIA International Airport. Cathay Cebu Pacific. Cebu Pacific. The Eagle has landed. Cebu Pacific here in NAIA Terminal 3. Papunta kami sa Terminal 3. At siguro ano kami, magchuchub uli kami. Chub.
Hello everyone, Cebu Pacific welcomes you to the Ninoy International Airport.
Cebu Pacific.
We are now taxiing towards the safe and proper. On behalf of your entire Cebu Pacific and entire flight section traveling from Ninoy and First Officer Lord Designio, together with your cabin crew, we thank you for making Cebu Pacific a part of your important life. It was truly a pleasure having you all on board, and we do hope to fly you to more fun in the future. Once again, thank you everyone for flying Cebu Pacific.
Yeah. We just landed.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have just landed. For your safety and comfort, please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the captain turns on the seatbelt sign. Please check your surroundings to ensure you do not leave your personal belongings behind. Cautious when entering the overhead bins, as heavy items may have during the flight. If you require assistance, please remain in your seat until all other passengers have deplated. Thank you for flying Cebu Pacific, a member of Value Alliance.
Once again, we ask that you keep your area clean and tidy. Kindly clear your seat pockets of any remaining litter, and please bring this with you as you leave your seat. You may dispose this in the bins near the exit. We seek your cooperation in ensuring that no litter is left
Terminal
behind.
3.
Thank you.
Miko na tayo.
Muli po namin pinapaalahan ng lahat ng panauhin na huwag mag-iwan ng mga bagay na nais nung tapon sa loob ng eroplano. Nangyari po lamang nadalhin ng mga ito sa inyong pagbaba. Salamat po.
The Eagle has landed. Cebu Pacific Flight 662 or 622. I forgot the number.
And for guests with infants, the infants' life shall be collected after disembarkation. For safety reason, leave the infant's life vest inside the seat pocket and be reminded that an authorized removal of the life vest from the aircraft is a serious offense.
On and off yung signal. Pero narito na tayo sa Terminal 3.
We sincerely apologize for the delay of this flight. This is
No worries.
arrival of certain aircraft.
That's not your fault. Fault yun ng ano ng traffic dito sa NAIA International Airport, no? Kasi kung yung mga piloto lang, syempre biyahe lang ng biyahe yan. Kaya lang syempre yun sa traffic control, kaya nagkakaroon ng delay, ano? Dahil minsan hindi pa palili pa rin dahil medyo bababa, may tataas, gano'n.
Our cabin crew will stand up momentarily to do a safety-related procedure. Passengers, please remain seated.
Wow, great. Safe landing here in Manila International Airport or NAIA International Airport. Safe takeoff there in Panglao International Airport in Bohol. So the best airline for me is Cebu Pacific. Mura na, safe pa. That is Cebu Pacific Airline. Okay, safe landing, guys.
Ayan na, oh. Lipat na ba?
Okay, we are here at NAIA International Airport. Just landed 5 minutes ago. So we're still rolling, moving to the tube. malinaw pa ang ating signal.
Cabin crew disarm doors for arrival. Cross check.
The cabin crew related to safety procedure. Passenger please remain seated.
Malapit na tayo. Sa tube siguro, didikit sa tube. Tayo ka na doon. Pakiraan ka na lang.
Mauna na kami.
Wala ka ba naiwan? Wala ka naiwan? Yeah. Wow. Bag ko. Okay.
Yung sombrero niya.
Yan.
Ay, nako, baka. Oh. Bababa na. Oo, opo, bababa na tayo. Ay, wash mo po.
Ano dadali mo? Itim o yung puti?
Bababa na. Opo. Ay, may baby.
Traffic pa, traffic. Na-text mo na si Judith. Sabi ko, pabok na rin.
Mamaya pagbukas. Ito ba yung bag mo? Tama ba? Oh, pababa na kami. Oh, let's go na.
Dito kami, oh.
Oh, bababa na tayo. Okay. Ano nga to?
Ayun eh. The forward door is now open. You may now deplane. Once again, thank you for flying with Cebu Pacific and welcome to Manila. Train crew will be only using the forward door for the landing into the rest. Bye.
Ang dadali mo yan? Yan, pababa na kami. Wow. Thank you so much po. Ay, hagdan ba tayo, ma? Eh, hagdan. Kailangan. Ito naman, no? Madali, oh. Baka ako'y malaglag din sa hagdan. Malabo mata ko. Madali, parang may maiiwan. Tinanggiba naman ako. Eh kung malaglag ako, nakita PWD. Bopols talaga yung lalaki. Parang maiiwan ng ano eh. Pare-pareho naman makakauwi. Ay. Nakakama. Diyan na tayo. Ay. Nasaan yung bag mo? Sakay tayo ng ano, bus transfer, no? Wala tayong tube ngayon. Hindi tayo naka-tube ngayon, ewan ko.
Ito?
Hindi tayo ngayon, hindi tayo naka-tube. So